Good morning, ladies and gents. Today is a big day because we're dropping the car off to get it fixed. Last video you guys saw the issue with the oil filter housing, specifically probably that little gasket for that oil leak that we found, unfortunately. But good news is today, like I said, we're dropping it off, getting fixed, running some errands beforehand. It's about 9:40 in the morning and I'm on my way to get a haircut. I get my haircut in downtown Birmingham, so that's where we're on the way to right now, which is right off Woodward Avenue, which obviously is the iconic car road, Southeast Michigan down here in Detroit. So maybe Saturday, Woodward, we'll see some cool cars. Probably not, because it's so gray and it's been raining all week. But hey, maybe we'll see some cool dailies, some Uruses, some Uri. What's the plural for Urus? I don't know. Let's check out Woodward. All right, so we got Panamera, we got a Beamer SUV, some fun stuff downtown. I wonder if we're gonna go on foot here after I park, kind of do some more observation. What the? Whoa. It's funny, I was like, cool, I wonder if we're gonna see anything. And then first thing I see is a Cybertruck. Huh. And no parking ticket, let's go. Ladies and gents, the luck this morning is crazy. I just got back to the car and a Jeep that said police parking enforcement just passed. I don't think I got it on video because it was literally, that was wild. We got buttered up. Absolutely phenomenal cut. I am loyal to my barber who is obviously down here. And my last cut with him was like 2 years ago. So we caught up, good times. I thought there was free parking until like 11. Turns out it's only till 9. So close one. So here's the piece. It looks like a camera lens.
Yeah, actually it does.
And this came from where? Some on the East Coast? Massachusetts or?
Got Shrewsbury, Mass.
Okay.
Right off the Boston Turnpike.
Perfect.
Yep.
A little culture going on.
Absolutely, man.
Love it.
Came with a cup of chowder. I already ate it.
Cool. So this is the educational portion of the show. And this is the gasket that fails often, but...
Well, when the gasket dries up or swells, because it's in contact with, oil and coolant, this little area here, these ridges will break. They'll snap. So no matter what you do, so like this could snap here, this could snap here, this, basically you can replace the gasket, it's just going to pour out. There's nothing you can do about it. And I've seen that a lot, many times. That's why we're doing this housing. It's cheap enough, good insurance. And that's basically it.
Cool. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back in the S4 after having dropped it off yesterday. Quick turnaround. Amazing that Paul was able to get this done so quickly. I swear I pulled in there. It was like Los Santos Customs or like the mechanic shop in Grand Theft Auto. It was perfect. The way that everything worked out. It is New Year's Eve. The guy is working on the weekend. So absolutely so thankful for that. Got everything fixed. He even gave me the old part so we can dissect and see kind of what the issue was as soon as I get home into some better lighting and not driving, obviously. If you guys need a mechanic in Southeast Michigan for your European car or really anything, I have the hookup. Super cool guy. He even detailed the interior for me. Like vacuumed out everything. Did a engine bay detail. Like I can't believe the level of service that I got. You would never expect, I don't know, like that was just surprising to me. Not a lot of people like that anymore. So that was really cool because, like I said, I've known this guy. I have not had my car taken care of from him before, but I got some awesome referrals and that worked out great. No more oil leak. But I'm going to drive safely here as I'm merging onto the highway. Actually, I'll give you guys a little... Hold on. It's wet out, so I don't want to be sketchy. Woo! That's so fun. We're crackling a little bit from the heat. Just got off a fun little ripper. Can't really see, but hey, I guess that's a good thing, right? We don't want to see anything. Engine bay is detailed. There's no oil anywhere, which is awesome. Huge fix. Look at all this is even clean. He went to the extent of cleaning out all the gunk. These cars are notorious for just picking up like stuff, like leaves, all in here. This is spotless. Like, talk about above and beyond. Like I said, if you guys need a guy, I gotcha, because this is amazing. Absolutely incredible. It's also clean. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, hopefully you guys can see with this ancient fluorescent light we have in the garage. This is the old part, and I think there's a rip somewhere in this bag, so I don't want to fully take it out, but this is the important piece here. I guess these are prone to fail sometimes, especially something to do with this gasket. It swells and it gets pretty flimsy and flat. Paul said he's going to send me some pictures later, so if I have those now, I'm just going to throw them on the screen, like the before and after. I know these are both, the new ones are revised parts from Audi, so they're like kind of an updated, revised version of both the gasket and then the housing. So obviously if there was a revision, there was something wrong with the last one, which is maybe why they fail. So fun little example. We get to take souvenirs home. That's even better. What a wonderful day. And look, like I said, he vacuumed everything out. Just amazing. Incredible work. Well, it's snowing again. 'Tis the season. Got up to a bit of yard work today. This old fluorescent light on so we can see. It's cold, man. It's snowing. I feel like I've ended the last couple of videos this way, but the main focus of today's mission was getting the S4 running correctly, no oil leaks. We can check that one off the box. We've got this little souvenir with the old oil filter housing, and we've got a solo stove bonfire. As much as I don't like winter, like there's stuff to keep you busy, keep you going. Doing lots of house projects. It feels like it's never ending. Speaking of house projects, I've mentioned it again a couple times, but this garage, we have some things. Received these as a gift from my girlfriend. Let's see. So these like whole detailing things. I don't know which way they go. I assume this way. So like hang them on the wall and then put detailing stuff in them. There's two of them. So I don't want to put them on the wall yet because I want to renovate this ma. I got big plans for this garage. I want to do a pressure washer mount and like kind of set up right here with like a hose reel. And then I want to paint all this a different color, but like it's 30 degrees. The paint's not going to cure. I don't know. I'm conflicted. I said this last time, but like I think I just need 4 by 8 foot sections of this pegboard, kind of patch up the spots where it's not. And then lighting and flooring. The other two things are my slippers. So I know we've kind of been slacking on the garage update content with like the home improvement aspect of things, but don't worry, it's coming here shortly. Kind of hibernating this winter and then saving up some cash. Gonna be balling out on this place. Gonna make it look real nice. But for the time being, it's snowing and it sucks. But we're making the most of it. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit subscribe, like the video for the algorithm. But I'm so happy that that it's up and running and no leaking oil in the garage. So thanks so much for watching. Until next time, you guys have a happy 2024. Just turned January. I think it's the 6th today. So until next time, we'll see you.